Made in Nigeria by a Nigerian, guys. Hi guys, good morning. Fun fact, I woke up like this, fresh out of bed, and I'm doing this video. Today I want to do an unboxing video because when a vendor is good, let us always put it out there that they are good so that they keep getting report. I just feel like when you do such a good work, you should get the result of that good work. So there is this brand called Lahmie Elesho. I got this bag from her about a year ago, more than actually. It's I bought it September upper year, not even last year. So this bag is over a year. It's a work bag, and it comes like this. It takes everything. It takes my laptop, my jotter. My laptop goes into this. My water, my bag, everything goes into it. Is that bag that once you put everything into it, your laptop, your jotter, your slippers, extra slippers. For someone like me, I carry skincare purse. I carry girly things like vagina wash, TMI, guys. Extra pad, extra pants inside a small bag. I put it in it. My slippers, because once my legs start aching me, I transition. I put it in there. My laptop. In fact, let me test my laptop for you guys. My laptop goes. Oh, I'm charging. My laptop as well. My laptop goes into it. It goes in it. I feel like my own is that it goes into it. My water, guys. I always have things in this bag. Trust me, it's that bag that takes everything. And once I carry like this, I'm good to go. Then the year I got it, that was about 2 years ago. It's not up to 2 years now, but like 1 year, 6 months. I got for my friend. It was her birthday, and I got for her as well. So, but me, I carry this bag a lot. It was like regular work bag. So I noticed that last year this thing started removing. It was weak and it was removing, and I took it to some cobbler in my area that said that they also do bags, and they did nonsense. I wish I have a video. Okay, I made a video. I might take the video and put it inside so you guys will see what I'm saying. Then I was not just comfortable. You know why? The bag is still very nice. It's just that this thing could not clip. So I reached out to her. Then I introduced that to quite a lot of my friends. So my sister, I went to see my sister sometimes this year, and I saw the bag she was carrying, which was one of this. And I'm like, sis, this is your bag. So I said, maybe you gave me Lahmie Elesho's number. I bought it from Lahmie. I said, oh, I need this bag as well, which is this one. And I said, let me even try it with my laptop going to it. Because for me, because I go to work, I have to always buy a bag that can take my laptop. If my laptop cannot go into a bag for me, because it means that I'll carry normal handbag and still carry laptop bag. Could it work? Anyways, that's how I now decided that let me put my laptop in it. Let me see if it will go in. And I went in and I'm like, okay, let's see if I'll try this. But because this bag was still studded and solid, I felt bad. Why my Odogusha bought this bag for me along the line. So my husband bought me this. Along the line, I saw this on her page. I liked it, so I bought this by myself. And now reached out to her that I want to order 2 bags. So, but I have a bag I bought from you, and it's not clipping again because this side is weak. And she said, send a picture, and I shared with her. And you know what she did? She came pick up my bag and repaired it for free, guys. For free. I did not pay a dime. And my bag is back to, look at, you guys cannot see. Close shot. It's like it's new. Everything is nice. Dear Lahmie Elesho, if you ever get to see this video, thank you for doing such a good work. I love it. Anyways, so let me unbox. I wanted to unbox with you guys because this girl does so much. It's so nice. Look at. Fun fact, I opened it yesterday. Just I put it back because I wanted to do this unboxing video. I cannot keep calm. I like good, solid, thick bags that can take things. So you guys can see now. Whoops. Whoops, whoops. I'm super excited. I'm elated. Oh my God. The bag is the finishing for me. It's the attention to details. See my name, Olamide. It's so nice. Oh my God. It comes with a longer strap. Hey God, I beg. Made in Nigeria by a Nigerian, guys. See the inside. Oh my God, you guys cannot see, it's the attention to detail for me. You know those, maybe because I like well structured bags. See, she put a note here to say thank you for your order. We hope you enjoy your purchase and that it brings you satisfaction you want as you unwrap it. Handle with love, just for you, by Lahmie Elesho. She even put bag care instruction, guys. You see that part of the Bible that says just do such a good work, you shall stand before kings and not just men. My boss came from Canada, and when she was leaving in my office, people that have this bag, this one is like, we are like five. And when she was leaving, she ordered this bag to Canada, or from Nigeria to Canada. She ordered for herself, she ordered for her friends, because this girl does such a good work. Student, you guys, I know that it feels like I'm hyping out too much, but when someone does such a good work, guys, let's always put it out there. Keep bag in an airy space. And thank God I have my shelf. I'll just go and put it there. Please ensure to use the long strap whenever you have more than a few items in your bag, especially if the bag has just a short strap. This prevents it from pulling out. To clean the bag, please use a clean cotton cloth and mild soap only if necessary. Keep colored bags away from getting stained by ink or any other substance that can leave a permanent stain on the leather. Consult with us for any other issues that might occur. Which is why when this bag went bad and I knew that I had goofed, I had taken it somewhere else and they had done nonsense, I still went back to her and she still did it. Shout out to Lahmie Elesho, by the way. If you ever get to see this video, I'm a fan. You know I'm coming back, right? Maybe not for work bags, but I'm coming back. See the detailing. Made in Nigeria by a Nigerian. Can you see? Can you see? Let me bring out my laptop. See, my laptop goes in. Oh my God. Ah, God, guys. My jotter goes in. Can you see? My wallet goes in. I don't want to give you guys too much TMI. Cannot bring out the things that are here again. They are very personal. Okay. My sunscreen goes in. I would literally just do what? And my bag is what? I cannot even lie. Me, I love my bag. And I know she knows already. See. And you know why I'm confident in the leather she uses? This is almost 2 years. And it feels like a brand new bag. This bag is almost 2 years. I bought it August 2023. Because I knew that last year it was 1 year. And my friend I bought it for, if you see how brown, very fine. My sister has this one. My sister even has a lot of bags from Lahmie already. Look at. If this is almost 2 years and it's looking like I just pull it out from, I just literally ordered it. Can you see the accessories? They don't change color. You don't, oh God, guys. I'm a fan. You guys know now, when I'm a fan, I bring it to you guys. This is Lahmie Elesho. Okay, we are done with this. Let me unbox the second one. And the packaging for me, it always comes with a, what is it called? A dust bag, so that you can use it to keep it and all that. So this one is wine. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh God, I beg now. God, I beg. See now, I feel like if you want to get me, just get me a nice solid skin leather bag that is well structured. You know, I cannot deal when a bag stands on its own. Cannot stand on its own. Which is why with my tote bag, I always have a bag organizer. These ones, I'm going to buy them with bag organizers as well, because I need the inside to be well organized. I need to be able to put things into compartments. See, customized. She does such a great work, I must say. Long strap for a reason. Can you guys see the long strap? Me, I'm not even afraid, because I have bought bags from her before. My sister uses a bag. Can you see? Accessories. I'm saying, see, so always solid. It's the fact that the bags always come solid. Oh my God, I love it. I cannot lie. Me, when I love something, you people will see that I love it, right? I love it. See the inside. It's so nice. Well done. See. Okay, the back care thing is inside as well. See. I wish you guys can see. Maybe I will do a video and record the inside. It's so clean. I can't see patches. And this is made that I don't want to spoil any other person's brand though. So I have bought bags, handmade bags from at least 3 vendors because I like any tote bag, work bag like this. So like, because this one too, as it is, if you take my laptop, you see now. If you take my laptop, iPad, you can take laptop, iPads, your writing pads, your jotter, see, just goes in. Bakam, just goes in. Can you see? Everything goes in just like that. Can you see? And we'll do what? We'll zip it. We'll zip it. Can you see? Oh my god, it's so nice. Can you see? See. Ah, you guys can see that I'm obsessed, right? I know, right? I'm dramatic. Anyways, I was saying I'll do a video to show you guys what the inside looks like. The side, so it has this thing. It is inside like this. But the design, can you see, it's inside. There is a brand that does, a foreign brand, an international brand, that every time I see this design comes to mind. Can you see? It's inside. It's inside. This and this, they are similar. This is just an upgraded version of this because this has accessories and it's wider. This is just the tote but with a zip. I just wanted something different. And this one has a cover. This is the official laptop bag. If you want a laptop bag, because this one has pad inside, there's foam inside. This one to protect your laptop. This one, it has protection for laptop, which is why it went bad, because it was my go-to everyday bag. Whether it matches what I'm wearing or not, I just slam my blue on it, love and light. But thankfully I have these ones now. I can always, and they take my laptop as well, so you can always shuffle and put things in it as well. Guys, this is just me. I decided that I was going to come sit down and show the review of these bags because they're such good character. And talk of packaging, you guys go to Lahmie Elesho on Instagram and tell her Olamide sent you. Just drop it there. I want to order. Olamide sent me. Because I didn't tell her I was going to do a video, but her service was so good. I can't but. And I know that affordability is a relative term, but compared to some other brands I have gotten, I would rather take this. Fun fact, I had bought bags from other brands. I don't want to mention that in 2 other brands. If I one, I could not use it. I feel like there is a standard with bags. Before now, I am pro. When I started growing, I would rather buy a fake dupe bags. Then I grew from that to buying UK, is it iBudget now? iStreet brands, sorry. And if you have seen in my videos, I have Aldo's, all those things. Then I realized that I'm not spoiling anybody, but I bought bags from Aldo's that did not last 1 year. My best brand right now for iStreet is River Highland. I have a ton of their bags. I have like 5, 6 of their bags. But I needed a work bag. The work bag I bought from Aldo did not last. I did not use it for 1 year. I had to give it out. And let me not even talk. Anyways, I cannot be using dollar. You guys know what dollar is saying now. You convert, buy bag in the name of, okay, I don't want to buy fake bags. I don't want to buy dupes of bags. Let me just buy affordable iStreet bags with the hope that they would last, and it will not last 1 year. And because I need a work bag, which is why I decided to buy this and this, which is why I bought this. Then after, this is me, September 2023 till now is when I'm recording this video in March 2025. So tell me, that's how many months? About 1 year. September last year was 1 year, so 1 year 6 months, and it's still today. It's still. Do you get what I'm saying? Fun fact, nothing. In fact, I would look for the video because I made it with a bad camera and lightning was bad. I was just trying to show her the bag was still standing. Nothing happened. It was just the pin in this place, and she took it in, repaired it for free, guys. And now I've been shouting. With this, I just wanted to do a sit-down video to review these bags I got from Lahmie Elesho because they are such cutie. Guys, do let me know if you would patronize her, if you like this bag. What do you think about made in Nigeria? Buy in Nigeria. Let's continue the conversation in the comment section. I'll see you guys in another video. Love and light.